Hey, what's Gucci, everybody? Your boy Sneak back all up in this thing, you know what I'm saying? And today I'm gonna be installing the pedal box by DTE. So let's get straight into the video. This will be how to install this in your vehicle. I'll be installing this in my 2011 Chevy Camaro. So let's get straight into it. And if you don't know, now you know. This is very easy to install. It's pretty much just plug and play. Plug this in and it's ready to go. The only steps that you need to know beforehand is you need to make sure your engine is off for at least 5 minutes before installing, and make sure you give it that 5 minutes so that everything powers down pretty much. So at least what I did is I went ahead and unlocked the doors, and I left my driver's side door cracked open. So I didn't close it all the way, I left it open. Then I waited at least 5 minutes. And take your key fob and move it as far away from your car as you can. You want to move it like to a back corner of your house, opposite of your car, or whatever, you know what I mean? Whatever you're doing, wherever you're at. Of course, like I said, well, of course, make sure your keys are safe, but you want to, just move them away. So. Alright, now with the pedal box plugins, I'm gonna show you how you need to remove your throttle plug-in. You'll see this part right here. You need to lift it, and you should be able to squeeze and pull. Well, what I did was I ended up taking it off. Now you want to be careful because you don't want to break this, but you can't take it off. And then squeeze and pull. Alright, now that I got this tucked where I want it, we're gonna sync this with my car. Now, to do that, you want to put your key in the ignition, turn it, but don't turn the engine on. Alright, my door wasn't shut, so turn it on, but don't turn the engine on. Then what you want to do, grab your pedal box, now I can see this is turned on. You want to press and hold the plus and minus buttons for at least 3 seconds. So let me get this camera ready. Hold the plus and minus buttons for 3 seconds. Alright, and now it's ready to tune. So just slowly press your accelerator. Yeah, y'all can kind of see my foot. So slowly press the accelerator and this should follow it with it. Alright, so then after it's pretty much matched up, you press and hold this blinking button for 3 seconds. Alright, now it's pretty much tuned to the car. So ready to go. Alright man, so that's the video, how to install your pedal box. So appreciate y'all for joining me. If you haven't already, do me a favor and put a thumbs up on the video. You got any questions or want to chop it up, hit up the comment box, and please subscribe to the channel, hit that red button below, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace out for now, squad.